Here we are, 865 Washington, Unit 2R, second floor unit. You do have a shared, you have Unit 2L to your left. This is a shared front deck with units. You come in straight to the living room area. This is considered a railroad style apartment, which means your rooms are stacked straight in a line. Come into your living room. You do have big coat closet in the living room. Come in here would be your bedroom, which you do have another closet in your bedroom. Next, we have your dining area. You do have a nice built-in cabinets in your dining area. And straight down, you are into your kitchen. Before we hit the kitchen, you have your bathroom. You also have a very spacious pantry in here before getting to your kitchen. We are in the kitchen here. You have a gas stove as well as a back deck. 865 Center Street, Jamaica Plain, 1995. One bedroom, dining room, living room, railroad style apartment. Available now.